Costco is now trading groceries for used electronics. That is where we are right now. This is absolutely insane. Companies have figured out and are starting to figure out even faster that people for the last handful of years have spent money recklessly on things that they couldn't afford, racking up credit card debt to buy things like iPads and other stuff, and now are faced with insane inflation in food. And they are now figuring out how to take those items from them, resell them, and trade them for things that they absolutely need. This story is insane. I can't wait to share it with you, but real quick, I have only offered this one time before. It has been beta tested, and now we are going to release it to a handful of more people. If you want the Real Estate Masterclass, links down below. All of my courses I've ever done on real estate, plus all the future ones, and live coaching calls, group coaching calls. I'm gonna take everyone's excuse away and destroy it. If you have any excuse that no, real estate's for the rich and I'm not gonna crush it in this next downturn. And stories like this show you that there is gonna be an incredible downturn. Check this out of Yahoo Finance. Costco will give you free groceries for your old electronics. Here's what to do. It says, imagine trading in your stuff you don't want anymore to get groceries. Talk about a budget-friendly swap. That's what Costco offers through its trade-in program, and you don't even need to be a Costco member to take advantage of it. It says the trade-in program is a fantastic opportunity for consumers looking to extract value from their used electronics. This comes from Dane NK, the founder of That Video Game Blog. Now, how does this program work? Costco's trade-in program is facilitated by a third-party company called Fubio. And you never step foot inside a Costco warehouse throughout the whole process. Instead, the program has a link on Costco's website that will take you to Fubio. I don't know where people get the names of these companies, where you can select your device model, answer questions about its current condition, and get a quote for its trade-in value. They say you essentially access your item's value through online the Costco's partners website. Ship it for free, and if it meets the criteria, you'll receive a Costco gift card or shop card. The payout can vary significantly, hinging on your item's condition and its market relevance. Now, shipping options include either printing your shipping label or opting to receive a box to ship your device after you've erased the data off of it. Now, think about this. This is where we are at. Right now, companies like Costco have figured out that people have got all these electronics and they want to trade them in because they need groceries more than they need the old electronics. Now, Costco lately has been on the verge of incredible things like selling gold bars. We've seen things like that because they're starting to figure out where the consumer is. The consumer is shifted from very good times to very difficult times, and that's where they're leading, and that's why companies like this keep crushing it. Now, a couple other things to note. It says the program currently accepts Apple devices, including iPhones, laptops, tablets, smartwatches. Everything okay?
Yeah, I just wasn't sure if you were like a vendor.
No, I'm covering a story on Costco, and they're trading in electronics for grocery shopping carts for groceries. They just announced it. Yeah, I tell the stories, and Costco has been doing all these great things, so yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, sorry. I'm just a weird YouTuber.
No, you're good. I'm sorry for interrupting.
No worries. You've been great.
I just didn't know if you were like one of our contractors because we have like 3 people doing work for us
I totally get it.
Electrician, and so I was like, just make.
I used to be a contractor. I gave that up a long time ago. Thank you so much.
No, you're good.
Yeah, absolutely. So now think about this. We are in a moment where we are seeing companies figure out, oh my gosh, our consumers, our customers are walking away. We've got to figure out how to make more money. Now, what's really sad about this is I made a lot of money during the Great Recession simply buying items that people thought they didn't need or didn't want to sell them themselves, like tractors, trailers, things like that, construction equipment, as construction industry was diving down. And I simply bought them at great prices and I remarketed them, cleaned them up, and made lots of money. Well, essentially, that's what Costco's doing. They're turning around and saying, all right, we'll offer you X. And again, this is through a partner website through Costco, but ultimately they get the Costco cards, right? And I'm gonna put the link to this story down below because I believe there's probably a lot of people watching this video that could use the money, but I need to urge you, clean it up and try and sell it yourself first because I've got a feeling you're gonna make a lot more money, and then in turn, Go and buy food at grocery stores and shop the sales. See, America is desperate right now, but the media is painting a totally different picture. Here, check this out. It says, what consumers might not realize is that even older or slightly damaged items can still hold value in this program. For example, a cracked screen or an outdated model might still bring a decent return, right? The reason why they're saying that is because they're gonna offer you an insane amount of, a low amount of money for these items. They're gonna fix them up, they're gonna remarket them and sell them for a lot of money. These are things that you could be doing. As a matter of fact, when you see companies like Costco going, hey, this could be a big moneymaker for us, it should be an idea in your mind that this could be a big moneymaker for you. See, once you realize all of these cycles that are happening, especially the real estate cycle that's turning over right now and is about to obliterate so many millions of people's idea of how wealthy they were or currently are, you can start to learn how to make lots and lots of money from it. I've lived through 2 economic cycles. I've been an investor before the dot-com crash. I was investing in dot-com stocks, made money there, and then subsequently sold before it crashed. I still had some losers and took losses, but then I did better on the next cycle, which was a real estate cycle. Well, this cycle right now that we're in is a currency bubble and a cycle in currency, and that means things are gonna go bad really, really fast. Point being is this, I want you to take advantage of this and do something about it now. I made the Real Estate Master Group, which are all my past classes and all my future classes into the future, all included for one price, and group coaching calls to answer your questions and destroy all of your ideas, all of the excuses of why you can't get ready and take advantage of the most epic downturn in the economy ever. When we're reporting on companies like this trading electronics for food, you see where the consumer's at. And those consumers that over leverage their credit cards to buy iPhones, over leverage their credit to buy vehicles that they can't afford, that we've seen that run up, and now the subsequent crash that's gonna continue in the auto markets, you've gotta realize, what did they do with real estate? And real estate is the easiest way to become a multimillionaire in this country because of cash flow, legal tax write-offs, all kinds of amazing things where you can borrow from the asset and take the money out tax-free. This is incredible opportunity, but you've got to be ready for it, and you've got to be ready for it soon because it takes time to get ready. And once you're ready, you strike with precision. Look, I am so excited to bring people the news and show people how this cycle built up and how it crashes down. And then what's crazy in trying to teach people this, it lifts up, the sun will come out tomorrow, and it takes off. We have so many opportunities ahead. I hope you take advantage of it. With that being said, I'm gonna put the link down below to the story to anyone that wants to check it out. And I'm gonna put a link to the limited people in this offering that are going to be part of the Real Estate Master Course. Hope you have a great day. The Ninja is out.